In this experiment, we'll be talking about the classification of fluid flow. There are mainly three types: laminar, transitional, and turbulent. In front of you right now is the main setup we used in the experiment. It consists of supply reservoir, flow pipe, and injection syringe. So first, we have the laminar flow. The word laminar originates from the Latin word lamina, which means thin plate or sliced layer. It is currently used to express something that's arranged in layers, exactly like the flow in front of us right now. Here, you can see the injected dye water flowing smoothly in one layer, where it was initially injected. This is because the whole fluid system is currently flowing in a laminar state, where all fluid layers are parallel to each other. This is called laminar flow. So in these experiments, to cause the flow in pipes, we use the force of nature. Nah, it's just gravity. It is the force of nature, but well, it's just gravity. To be honest, if it weren't for the gravity, all this fluid mechanics would be rendered useless, so I guess it deserves some appreciations. So the first trial, we used a water head of 0.4 cm, and for this 0.5 cm. Hitting transitional, we started using 1 cm water head. When we exceed 2300 on Reynolds number, some interesting things start to happen. Flow becomes transitional. And what is transitional flow? Well, it's for certain something between laminar and turbulent, I guess. Yes, transitional flow is a transitional state. Really? Well, it's simply said both of them at the same time. You can neither classify it as laminar or turbulent, because it is turbulent in the center of the pipe and laminar near the walls of the pipe. And in the second trial, we took the head a bit more higher, up to 1.5 cm, pulling her up to approximately 3800. Finally, increasing the height to 2 cm, we finally reached the turbulent flow, where the motion of the fluid is random on the individual level, even if the fluid is flowing in one direction. And in trial 2, we jumped it to 3 cm. Honestly, it wouldn't matter now we increased 1, 2 or 5 cm on the head, because once turbulent is always turbulent. Mohamed Tamer, 2020. To conclude, fluid flow is classified into three types: laminar, transitional, and turbulent. It may be observed from the Reynolds flow time graph that the transition between each state occurs at approximately 2300 and 4000. This is dimensionless, by the way. Laminar flow, which occurs below 2300, is characterized by all individual fluid particles flowing in the same layer, causing no fluctuations and no turbulence. Transitional state is the mixture of both. It has laminar at its edges and turbulence at its center. Meanwhile, turbulent is the roughest of them and the most fierce. It is full of fluctuations, and as the name suggests, turbulence. It's the hardest of them all to expect the flow pattern and the most probable one among them to cause engineering challenges. Thank you for watching and hope the video appealed to you.